Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. India reports 60,963 cases of coronavirus in the last 24 hours with 834 deaths. Odisha COVID-19 tally today crossed 50,000 mark after highest 1,876 fresh cases were reported from all the 30 districts in the state. With India reporting a huge number of cases of human-elephant conflict every year, the Union Environment Ministry has released a comprehensive guideline to mitigate such conflicts through scaling up multiple technological interventions, including wider use of drones, solar electric fence, and sensors. A tusker was found dead near Digajarna village under Jujumura block of Odisha's Sambalpur district today on World Elephant Day. The admission into plus 2 courses and various streams for the academic session 2020-21 will start from August 21st. The candidates need to apply online for admission into the intermediate courses to Student Academic Management System between August 21st and September 4th. Former President Pranab Mukherjee's condition remains critical following an emergency brain surgery 2 days ago and he remains on ventilator support. The city police on Wednesday arrested 150 people from DJ Halli and KG Halli police station limits who were allegedly involved in arson and rioting on Tuesday evening in Bangalore East under Prevention of Destruction to Public Property 1984 and attempt to murder under Section 307 of the Indian Penal Code. Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt was diagnosed with lung cancer on August 11 after getting admitted at Mumbai's Leelavati Hospital post experiencing breathlessness. Now, as the actor announced his break from work to get treated in the US, fans took to social media to wish Bollywood's very own Sanjay Baba a speedy recovery. The growth in active cases has distinctly slowed in August. In the first 10 days of this month, active coronavirus cases grew by half the number as in the previous 10 days despite a big surge in infections. Flagging fears that the country's GDP growth may even touch its lowest since independence in the backdrop of coronavirus pandemic, Infosys co-founder N.R. Narayan Murthy on Tuesday said the economy should be brought back on track and people should be prepared to live with the pathogen. The Income Tax Department on Tuesday launched a massive search operation on some Chinese individuals and their Indian associates and some bank employees spread across Delhi, Gurgaon and Ghaziabad for suspected links to money laundering and hawala transactions running into several thousand crore of rupees. Alphabet's Google's Android phones on Tuesday started detecting earthquakes around the world to provide data that could eventually give billions of users precious seconds of warning of a tremor nearby, with an alerting feature first rolling out in California. Joe Biden, the presidential candidate, has picked India-origin Kamala Harris as his running mate for the elections. Biden announced the news on Tuesday. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.